Hello. Welcome to another video. So, right, you clicked on this video, you're probably, you wanna be a cool hacker. Ooh, cool, so cool. You want, you wanna access the dark web. You're so cool, man. But no, today I'm gonna show you how to do that. So, first thing you want to do, this is so easy. What you gotta do is just go to search Tor, the onion router. So basically, what this means is you're gonna be able to access secret websites called .onions. What's a .onion? So if you go to like .onion on here, it's not gonna work. But if you go to something .onion on Tor, it will work because it's a secret type of link that only works on Tor. So you're just gonna download this, download for whatever platform you're on. Let's download it. Alright, install it. Alright, let's wait for it to install. Perfect. You just select your language, you install it. Yes. This is not gonna take that long. It should not take that long. It just depends on how fast your computer is. It should not take as long as it takes for the Senate to pass legislation. But here we go. You know, you're gonna you can select both of these if you want to. Finish these. Now I'm gonna assume that you wanna go up to it soon. So yeah, now you got Tor browser. So first thing you want to do is you're gonna establish a connection. Most of the time it does it for you. Now you're gonna be on DuckDuckGo. I know it's not Google, but you're just gonna have to deal with it. So you just search on there. So now, what you want to do is go find like links to, you know, dark web site directory. So then look on this. I'll link this in the description. I'll copy it so I don't forget. Actually, no, I'll have to copy these. So as you can see, there are these, which are just links to wikis of the dark web. So you go here, which might not work because these suck sometimes, most of the time actually. There we go. Hidden wiki. Now you can go to all these websites, whatever you want to do. Do whatever, just do whatever. You know, look for, you know, just another wiki. I'm not going to be doing anything illegal. Oh, okay, I guess that's just the same website. Anyway, you know, do whatever you want. You know, dark web hire, account market, card shop, heroin. Okay, advice, maybe don't do this one. But, yeah, that's how you use the dark web. Become a super scary hacker. Subscribe and like for more videos, obviously. And if I assisted you, help assist a sister by subscribing. And join the channel membership if you want to be good. I will give you head pats. I'll give you whatever. Just subscribe, like, give me money. Goodbye.